Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your font. While a complete system-wide font overhaul is often restricted, you can still customize your text appearance in several ways. We'll explore the built-in options available on most operating systems, which typically focus on accessibility and readability. Additionally, many individual applications offer their own dedicated font settings, allowing for more granular control over their specific interfaces. For Windows users, customizing your font experience begins in the personalization settings. Navigate to fonts to manage installed typefaces and adjust overall text scaling. While changing the default system font directly is not straightforward, you can easily install new fonts by downloading them and right-clicking the file to select Install. This allows you to use new fonts in compatible applications like word processors and design software. On Mac OS, font management is handled efficiently through the Font Book application. Here, you can view, install, and organize all your typefaces. For system-wide text adjustments, head to System Settings, then Accessibility to modify text size and display contrast for better readability. Remember, individual applications such as Safari or Mail often provide their own specific font preferences within their respective settings menus, offering more localized control. Beyond operating system settings, most applications provide robust font customization. Programs like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or design software offer a wide array of typefaces, sizes, and styles directly within their interfaces. Simply navigate to the application's preferences or formatting toolbar to find these options. Remember, any font changes made within an application will only apply to that specific program, not your entire operating system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.